How to create a group email in Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google Contacts application. Then tap on this icon right over here. Now go to new label. Create a label name that is your group name. After that, add contacts in your label. Now open your Gmail and then go to compose. Now simply add the label and then you will be able to add them if you have successfully made a label with many people on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google Contacts application. Then tap on this icon right over here. Now go to new label. Create a label name that is your group name.